everyone. আপোনালোকক সকলোকে at our channel লৈ স্বাগতম। আজি আমি ডিসকাশন কৰিম difference between National Company Law Tribunal and National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. That means the NCLT versus NCLAT. তাৰ আগতে আপোনালোকক মই ক'ব খুজিছো that the function of these two bodies are same, okay, almost similar, and that basically deals with the any kind of disputes or any kind of issue which is arising in the company, okay, and both these bodies are established on 1st June 2016. গতিকে আহক যদিও আমাৰ এই দুটাৰ মাজত similarity আছে, the function is same. Now what are the differences in between them? Now the thing is that the National Company Law Tribunal and the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. Now look, the first difference is what? NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal, is established as per the section 408 of the Companies Act 2013. NCLT to amar established kora hoise as per section number 408 of the Companies Act 2013, and whereas the NCLAT, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, is established as per section 410 of the Companies Act 2013. Our NCLAT to establish kora hoise as per the section number 410 of the Companies Act 2013. The second difference in between of this, what? It holds primary jurisdiction on cases of insolvency and bankruptcy. Basically NCLT কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ cash black deals kore, কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ issues black deals kore, that is basically relating to insolvency. Insolvency already you know, when an organization is having more of liabilities than their assets, then it becomes insolvent. So insolvency jenoka problem, ebla problem ki kore deals kore, proceeds kore, as well as bankruptcy, whereas the NCLAT holds appellate jurisdiction over the cases judged by the NCLT. So what is happening if any persons getting the judgment by NCLT, they are not satisfied? যদি satisfied নহয় তেনেহলে কি কৰিব পাৰে, সেই ব্যক্তিজনে সেই পাৰ্সনে কি কৰিব পাৰে, they can appeal to the NCLAT to look after the matter. আৰু যাৰ কাৰণে কি কৈছে ইয়াতে, it holds appellate jurisdiction, যিবিলাক ব্যক্তিয়ে যিবিলাক পাৰ্সনে appeal কৰিব NCLAT কিহৰ কাৰণে, to look after the judge which is given by NCLT. National Company Law Tribunal যিখিনি জাজ দিছে আৰু যদি satisfied নহয় তাৰ কাৰণে কি কৰে, NCLAT কি কৰে, appeal কৰে, আৰু NCLAT কি কৰে, সেই judgment to কি কৰে, চাই whether it is correct or not. Third difference in between NCLT and NCLAT law, NCLT accepts and analyzes the evidence from creditors. So jikono eta case ba issue analysis koribo karone tar upor judgment dibo karone they have to collect the data, and NCLT collect the data, collect the evidence from whom? From the debtors and creditors of the company, okay, evidence from the creditors. But what is happening, NCLAT, whereas NCLT, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, analyzes the decisions made by NCLT. Already I have told you, okay. So yate NCLAT ki kore, jito decisions NCLT diye, National Company Law jito decision diye, hey decision to ki kore, judgment diye, analysis kore by NCLAT after the appeal made by the person, okay. Next, the fourth difference in between these two, but not the least, look, NCLT collects facts and evidence. National Company Law, it collects what? Facts and evidence regarding the issues, regarding the cases, whereas NCLAT, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, it analyzes the facts and evidences, okay. So NCLT কি কৰে, facts and evidence collection কৰে, আৰু সেই facts আৰু evidence খিনি analysis কোনে কৰে, by the NCLAT. So friends, these are the differences in between the NCLT and NCLAT, National Company Law Tribunal and National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিছে, please like, share and comments. আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে যদি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই প্লিজ সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু ওচৰতে থকা বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰিব থ্যাংক ইউ হ্যাভ এ গ্ৰেট ডে